Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for the zucchini pizza, I've just grated 2 medium zucchini and then 100 grams, just about 3.5 ounces of parmesan in the food processor, but you could use a box grater. Then I've mixed in 100 grams of almond meal, so 3.5 ounces, and 2 eggs, and about half a teaspoon of salt. And then I've just put on a tray that's I've lined with baking paper, and it is important to line the tray with baking paper because otherwise your pizza's going to stick. And don't use foil either because it'll just peel and make a big mess. So you really do need baking paper for this job. So then we're just going to, and I find clean hands are the best for this, just push, once you've got it mixed, push the mixture. I guess you could use a rolling pin, I hadn't thought of that. I usually just use my hands out on the tray just to make a pizza base. So this is going to be about 30 centimeters diameter. So what's that? I can't remember. check the written recipe for the imperial measurements. Great, so when you've kind of got a little edge and it looks pretty, we can get it in the oven. So about 20 minutes at 220°C, which is 450F. So pizza's been in the oven for 15 minutes. You can see it's lovely and golden brown and definitely cooked. So I'm just going to put on my pizza toppings and pop it back in the oven for a few more minutes and then we're done. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.